Let's learn how to configure your camera's recording settings in BLAZE. First, go to the Settings menu, select your desired camera from the Devices list, and click the Recording tab. To begin recording, you'll need a license. Click Use License to assign one. You can choose from 4 different recording types. Do Not Record is for when you only want to view the live video without saving any footage. Record Always will record video continuously, 24 hours a day. Motion, Objects, Events records only when motion or a specific object is detected. In the Advanced Setting menu, you can configure pre-recording and post-recording durations and video retention periods. By Schedule lets you record only on specific days and times. This is a great way to maximize recording efficiency when you only need to monitor during certain hours. Once you've made your selection, click Apply. Your camera will now begin recording based on your settings. You can see the new recording mode icon applied to your camera in the device list.